this how you get it in. This how you get it in. Yeah, I win. This how you get it in. Oh yeah, I win. This how you get it in. I ain't sipping no gin. I ain't sipping no gin. I'm gonna sip a rock and I'm a pimpin' out, boy. This is Corey and I get in. I swing it lax and I had it all. I never slip it all. Talk about ball, bitch, I really ball. Without the fucking ball. Talk about the Benz on 26s. Got a lot of bitches stuck in my business. Talk about me, bitch, it's the business. Coming down, bitch, I'm the weird skis. This is freestyle legend. Shit, I'm from that country time. Talk about the time where they drug that boy Jane drugs behind the truck. Fucked up, now I feel it all. Fuck KK, keep it real. Coming down all day. 84s and low pros with that candy bubble gum blue spray. And I'm real with it. Independent, coming down with the crowd, I'm getting it in. Talk a lot of shit for the niggas, gotta have something on the wrist. A sport car fin, 22s in the back, I stunt. Coming down, it's the first of the month. I'ma stunt hard in the summer. Peel the top off the Jag and the Hummer. I'ma get it in, I'ma swing and get it in. Sipping on the gin, I should always win. Just to take, I'ma hit him in the chin, gotta hit him in the north side, high end. Got Baby with me, got Anthony Dew. Peeling tops on the G food, we gon' ball forever, and we so clever. High as a motherfucker on another level, let's ball with it. Ball with it. Talk a lot of shit, hit up in the kitchen, gon' ball with it. Ball with it. Talk a lot of shit, hit up in the kitchen, gon' ball with it. Ball with it. Talk a lot of shit, hit up in the kitchen. They ain't down with it, gon' get with it. Bitch in the north side, hit him real. Yeah, I been ballin' all my life, ain't got no fucking wife, I did it hard. Could shine like a motherfucking fine butter knife, and I keep it real. Got the butter on the table, and I'm rocking up when I'm selling crack. Coming down, I be flipping that to a double pack, and I be whipping the black, and I whip nothing, baby, to a dime key. Coming down, I've been selling that, I've been doubling my packs, and my money's fat. Pockets so fat, I can't close it black, so I hide it in the woods, and I bury it all. Coming down, bitch, that kid, y'all. In the back of my yard, I got the motherfucking elephants coming down, I'm still gon' ball. 84s, I've been skipping, yeah. Keep the pen tank and it's so wet. Got a lot of niggas that make a bet. Got your bitch in that pussy wet. That's a freestyle, y'all, and I get it in, huh? Yeah.